Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to make a caterpillar snack, which is all you need is bread. You can get your ham or turkey, bologna, whatever you like, cheese if you would like that, and all you need is, I found these little cups at home. Make sure you wash them, and all you do is, or a cookie cutter, and I just got them and I squeeze on the bread, and that'll make little rings, little round circles. If you find it hard, get a toothpick and you can pull it out. Okay, the next thing I did, you can also, if you want cheese on your caterpillar, the same thing. And with the toothpick, they'll come out. We do the same thing with the meat. And I did some ahead of time. See how the little circles come out? If you have cookie cutters, you can use the cookie cutters. Little round circle. Okay, after you get your little round circle of bread, you can put your meat, your cheese. You don't have to put cheese. A lot of people are allergic to cheese and they don't like it. Then you just get a toothpick, run it through the middle. Also, if you want to, you can use mayo or whatever you like to add. And then I've already started this. And then you just push it in. And I used aroma tomato for my face of the caterpillar. And that is it. It's super easy to make. I hope you enjoy this snack. Until next week, goodbye.